What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I want to show you guys something. Right here is a live session you see with my mentee here. We're scheduling in live session, and we had a session, and this was like 11 or 12 a.m. in the morning, and right now it's about 2. It's about 2 hours from there, like 2 hours back. So I told him to look at something, the GBP USD during the morning. And I was just looking at it. I told him to take the trade, and if he was taking the trade, he should buy. And I took the buy during the live session, right? And you see that he's even confirming. I'm saying to him now, just a few minutes back, I'm saying, sir, you remember what I said to you during our live session about GBP USD? He says, yes, if trading buy. I said, are you watching? He says, I was driving to work, just got here, but yes, you were right. Lovely, bro. One day I'll be just like my mentor. You're so good. Thank you so much, bro. Now let's come to the charts. Let's stop talking and come to the charts. Okay. You see, this is the GBP USD on a 4-hour time frame. Sitting at a profit of 18,630 euros. Let me just show you guys something. You see that real account? Okay. Now, yesterday I went out of the trades with less, something like 4,000 euros, because I was disturbed by family commitments and stuff like that. But you see the trade setup that I showed him in the morning. You see where it is now. Don't tell me about risk management. Don't tell me about fundamental trading. I don't care. All I know is I know something about the market, and I eat when I have to eat. Okay? So you can watch from the sideline. So no matter how much I may choose to charge people, this is value, man. No one can teach you this. You can't beat this. As you can see, market is shooting up. There was news apparently. I want to show you 1 minute time frame. You see, on a 1 minute time frame, there was news apparently. But you think I care about fundamentals? May I do what I'm supposed to do? And for these guys, let me make a correction for these people who keep trading correlation and the likes. Look at that. This is a 15-minute time frame of a Euro USD, but it's not in profit if you are taking this trade. There's a reason why I take the trades on the currency pair that I take the trades on. So it's light that you need to have in order for you to work in this. And it's a live account, guys. It's a live account. So God bless everybody. I trust to see you guys soon, and I'll be sharing more light with you. God bless. Love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.